Indiana Disability History Project, Indiana Institute on Disability and Community, Indiana University.
Find her a job. MaryLou Melloy.
We had an executive director that was really ahead of his time, and we didn't like him because he was ahead of his time, and it was change, and we were afraid as parents. And they started talking about doing away with the workshop and integrating handicapped kids into the public. And Don and I personally sent all of the parents a letter objecting to have a big meeting to fight this. And after we had the meeting, the next morning I called and I said, okay, find her a job. And that's just exactly, if you think this is work, you're the professional, you find her a job. And about 2 weeks later, they call me, and Cindy went on a job, and she worked there for 20 plus years. The company that she went to work for was Roche Pharmaceutical. I think it was called Boehringer Mannheim when Cindy started. And the first job she had was some kind of sorting of papers to put in packaging where they were sending out promotions on a product that they had. And then it changed, and they moved to another building, and they did a different kind of a job, and then they moved to another building. And the final job that she had was recycling diabetic monitors. And so she has successfully worked in the community for 20 plus years. And it was the way for Cindy to go. It was the most wonderful opportunity for Cindy, and I will tell you that there are other mothers that had children the same age as Cindy, and they were afraid to let their kids go out in the community. And my statement to those mothers was, you don't have the right to deny them the opportunity to try this. And several kids did go out because of Cindy.
Music, Redwood Trail.
Produced by Indiana Institute on Disability and Community, Center for Health Equity. Funded by the Indiana Governor's Council for People with Disabilities. Copyright 2020, the Trustees of Indiana University.